What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about how to create your own repository through GitHub. Before we start though, I would recommend checking out my previous video on how to install Git into your operating system. Having Git installed on your operating system is going to be crucial when making these changes through GitHub. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here we go. So we're going to put in github.com. I'll put the link in the description below. So once you type it in, it'll bring you here. And then from here, you're either going to sign up or sign in. I have an account, so I'm going to sign in. But for any people here that are new to GitHub, sign up will be your button of choice. So here we go. We're going to sign in. And great, it'll bring you to the dashboard. So now we have a README file. So with this being said, this is where you can write a long description for your project. So you can have all this code. It can be the most fancy repository that does the coolest things, but no one's going to know what the code does based off Python or JavaScript or CSS or HTML at like first glance. When you're sharing these files with fellow employees or peers, you want to have a nice README file that breaks down the functionality, description, and even giving images of what's going on. So we're going to add a README file. It's very important. Next, we have a .gitignore. So for this, we're going to leave this blank. I don't want to overwhelm you too much with this, but this is a simple .gitignore that does not include certain files based off certain applications. We'll get more into this in other videos, but for now, leave this as none. And for licenses, I've started putting MIT license. For now though, we can leave it as none. Like I said, let's not get too overwhelmed and let's work with the basics and build upon. And great, there you are. Everything is filled out. And now we're going to create a repository. And there we go. You have your readme.md. MD means markdown. Your initial comment. And it just happened because you just made your repository. Your readme file, my first repo. And this is your small little description, my first repo. If you liked what you saw, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you got lost or if you're confused or if you just have any questions about what this video entailed, please put it below in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thank you so much. Have a good one.